In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Kanban board using Trello. Whether you're brand new to Trello or just want a fast and simple method for organizing your tasks, you're in the right place. We'll go through everything together step by step. By the end of this short tutorial, just about 5 minutes, you'll have your very own Kanban board ready to manage your workflow. To get started, open your browser and head over to the Trello website. If you're not exactly sure where to go, just type Trello into your search engine and it should pop right up. Once you're on the home page, you'll see the option to log in, generally located in the upper right corner. Go ahead and click on it and enter your login details. Don't worry if you don't have an account yet. You can create one on this page by following the on-screen instructions. It's straightforward and you'll be up and running in no time. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on your Trello dashboard. This is your central hub where all your boards will appear, making it easier to manage different projects and tasks. Now, let's move on to creating a new board. Look for the Boards option, which is typically located either in the sidebar or at the top menu. Clicking on this will reveal all your existing boards. To create a new one, select the Create button on this page. You'll then be presented with options to start a brand new project board. Here's where the fun begins. You'll have the opportunity to either use a pre-existing template or start fresh. For our walkthrough today, we're going to make things easier by selecting Trello's built-in Kanban template. Go ahead, click Create, and then find and choose the Kanban template. This Kanban template is tailored for workflows that allow you to visualize tasks as they progress through various stages, like To Do, In Progress, and Done. Your new board will come preloaded with these columns, and you can start adding task cards into each one immediately. As your tasks evolve, you can drag and drop these cards between the columns to update their status. This provides you with a clear and engaging view of your project's journey from start to finish. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've built your own Kanban board in Trello. From this point, you can further personalize it. Feel free to add task details, due dates, labels, attachments, and more to keep yourself organized. Trello's intuitive interface makes it a breeze to explore additional features that can further enhance your productivity. Thank you for spending time with me in this tutorial. I hope it helped you get your board up and running smoothly.